Saskatchewan is set to get hit by a blast of winter weather on Monday, as an Alberta clipper makes its way into the province. The winter storm battering Saskatchewan also has resulted in the closures of some highways.
Drew and I clearly have been around each other for a long time when we're just finishing each other.
Environment Canada has issued blizzard warnings for most southern regions, including Regina, while Saskatoon and central areas have blowing snow advisories in effect. The Weather Office says a swath of snow will be across the northern grain belt region southwards towards the Trans-Canada Highway. The greatest snowfall will be found in areas north and east of Saskatoon to the Manitoba border. The strongest winds will be south of Saskatoon with wind gusts of up to 70 and 90 km per hour starting in the southwest Monday afternoon. Snowfall accumulation could be anywhere from 5 to 15 centimeters, according to Environment Canada. Similar advisories were in place on several roads in the southern and western parts of the province because of icy conditions, slippery sections, and reduced
16.
visibility due to drifting and blowing snow.
I had to pull over.
Local authorities encourage drivers to check the road conditions on the province's highway hotline before traveling.